1. Understanding the fundamentals of a business model. A business model is like a blueprint for your business. It outlines how a company creates, delivers, and captures value. It's important to understand the elements of a business model: value proposition, customer segment, distribution channels, customer relationships, revenue streams, key resources, key activities, key partnerships, and cost structure. 2. The role of a business model in business success. Business models are not just theoretical concepts. They have a direct impact on whether a business succeeds or fails. A well-designed business model can identify new opportunities, streamline operations, and increase profitability. 3. Different types of business models. An overview. There isn't a one-size-fits-all business model. From subscription models like Netflix to the franchise model like McDonald's. The best business model depends on various factors like industry, customer behavior, and market trends. 4. In-depth examination of the subscription business model. The subscription model provides a steady stream of income and better customer retention. This model works best when there is a continuous demand for a product or service like software or media content. 5. The franchise business model. Pros and cons. Franchising allows businesses to expand rapidly using the capital of franchisees. However, it requires a successful brand and business system and can result in decreased control over individual outlets. 6. How to choose the right business model for your business. Firstly, you need to deeply understand your business. Identify your target customers, the value proposition you offer, and what sets your business apart from the competition. Your business model depends on your unique value proposition, target market, and resources. It's important to research, test, and refine your business model. 7. Insight into the freemium business model in digital enterprises. Freemium models are popular in digital enterprises where basic services are free, but premium features are paid. This model can attract a large user base and drive conversions. 8. Effectively adapting your business model to market changes. Market trends and customer needs change. Businesses should regularly review and adapt their business model to stay competitive. 9. Case studies, successful businesses and their innovative models. Netflix's subscription model works by charging customers a monthly fee in exchange for unlimited on-demand streaming of TV shows, movies, and other content. Another noteworthy case is Uber, which disrupted the market with its innovative platform business model. Uber doesn't own any cars. Instead, it has developed a platform that connects drivers and passengers. Amazon is another prime example of a successful business with an innovative model. Starting as an online bookstore, Amazon quickly expanded its inventory to become the world's largest e-commerce platform. 10. The impact of technology on business models. A look into the future. As technology evolves, so do business models. Blockchain, AI, and IoT are some technologies shaping the business models of the future, such as enhanced customer experiences, efficient operations. Remember, a business model is not set in stone. It needs to evolve with your business and market conditions. I hope this video provided you with valuable insights into business models. Before I sign off, make sure to subscribe for more content on business strategies and entrepreneurship. This is Thamis Harasu, your business coach, saying goodbye until next time. And remember, a great business model is the foundation of a successful business. Thank you and take care.